Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And
Well,
what
hey family, happy Monday. This is Darlene. I am getting ready to make a pair of these, I'll call them grapevine, like grapes on the vine type earrings. And they're requested. So I'm going to go ahead and make these. I did put together kind of sort of one already, just for the sake of time for the video. I don't like the videos to be like really, really long. So I try to consider, people's time. So for the earring, you're going to need 3 of the jump rings. And I guess these would be maybe 10 millimeter. So it's pretty much whatever size you want to make, but I want to say these are about probably a 10 millimeter jump ring. And 6, I'm using those crystal beads. So I have 6 of the crystal beads. You can use any beads you want. I'm using the crystal beads. And you're basically going to make the beads like if you were to make a custom charm. So this is what we got. We got 6 of these. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start to put the jump rings together. One here. We're going to do one here. So we have 2 beads on here. We're going to go ahead and close it up. And then what you want to do is you want to take the jump ring, the second jump ring. You want to split them up and then put the jump ring right there. It is going to make a difference. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to close it so I can make sure I got it like I want it. And then just for a guide, I'm going to put the ear wire on here. So I got an ear wire. Go ahead and open that up. Put the earring on there. Go ahead and close that. So this is what we got so far. We got 1 jump ring. We got two of the little 2 of the beads, and then we have a jump ring right in the middle. So what we want to do is we're going to put a bead on each side of the jump ring, like so. And then we're going to go ahead and close the jump ring. And then we're going to get our 3rd jump ring. And we want to open the 3rd jump ring up. We're going to grab here. We want to make sure that we put this jump ring right in the middle of these 2 beads. So you can see once I close it down, the jump ring is going to be right in the middle. And I can just go ahead and put these beads on here. I can't center these on each side because I'm not going to use a 4th jump ring. So I'm going to go ahead and close it off. And then it should look the same. It should look like grapevines, which is what they look like. And what I did is I put some wire around the top of it. So we basically got what looks like grapevines. And what I did is I cut, this is 6 inches, but you can cut however long you want to cut, maybe 5 inches or something. So that's one. And then let's take our other one. And I'm going to go ahead and bend this up like that. I'm going to take the wire around my finger, kind of holding this part right here. And then wrapping it around my finger because I want the wire wrapped. Try to get it small enough. And just kind of wrap it in different ways. And then I want to take the end of the wire and we'll go ahead and close it off. So make sure that's rounded and closed. All right, oops. And then I am going to take the part that I closed down, which is right here, pull that up, because I'm going to attach that to the wire. So we got it like this, and then we're going to take our other earring, which is here. We're going to pull the ear wire through, and basically like that. And then we want to open up the ear wire here. And then we'll take the part that we rolled up, hook it on there, on the ear wire. Go ahead and close it. So we got that closed, and we really don't have to do anything to this one, because we got the wrap wire exactly like we want it. So that's what that looks like. And then you got this one. With a little practice, you'll get it exactly, what you want it to look like, but this is what they look like as far as making them like grapevines. So they came out almost exact. And as you know, handmade, they don't ever come out exactly like, what you previously made, but this is like really close. So just kind of perfecting the wire, wrapping that wire around the finger, making sure that you put the beads, one on each side of the jump ring, so they'll hang like this. If you put them on the same side, they will literally hang on that same side, and they'll be off. They won't look exactly like this. But this is the way I make the grapevine earrings. And hopefully that's simple and easy enough to understand. Darling Night for Jewelry by BDK. And guess what? It's Beautiful Monday, and we'll talk.